I am Sandeep Singh and this is chapter Landforms of the Earth. In this lesson, we will study about different types of landforms which are found on the earth. The surface of the earth consists of many different kinds of landforms. Mountain, plateau, plains. There are different types of landforms found on the earth. Landform means the surface of the earth is called landform. In this part, there are many types of landform found on the earth like mountain, plateau and plains. There are major landforms also found on the landforms: desert, coastline, peninsulas, cape, island and isthmus. Now look at the mountains. Mountains are rocky masses of land that rise very high above the surrounding land. What is mountain? Mountain is a rocky and high land which has top peaks very high above the surrounding lands. They have steep sloping side and pointed tip called peaks. In this landform, it has very high tips. It is called peak. In some places, many mountains appear one after the other, forming an interconnected chain. These mountains are regularly interconnected with their each other, called mountain range, such a chain mountain range. Okay, mountain range can be young or old. These mountains may be young or old by their origination. Okay, young range like Himalayas and Alps have several tall peaks with sharp edges. Young mountain like Himalaya, Alps are tall peaks. Old mountain like Vindhyas and Appalachian are low with rounded tops. The old mountain like Vindhyas and Appalachian are the rounded tops which are appear in before 2000 million years ago. Okay, the Himalayas, which lies in Asia, are highest mountain range in the world. Himalaya is the highest mountain range in the world. Other important mountain ranges in the world are Rocky in North America and Andes in South America and Alps in Europe. There are several mountains found on the earth like Himalayas in Asia, Alps in Europe, Rocky in North America and Andes in South America. Okay, a pass is a break or gap in mountain ranges. Passes provide people with path through steep mountain range. Nathula, India is the famous pass connecting and China. What is pass, student? Look at this. This is a mountain. Okay, and here is a gap. It is called pass. Okay, it is called pass. Nathula, North India is the famous pass connecting India and China. Nathula in Arunachal Pradesh is the famous pass to connect the India and China. Some highlands are as high as mountain, they are called hills. All highlands are not mountain, they are also called hills. Some highlands are not higher than mountain, they are called hills. Hills have gentle slope and more rounded tops than mountain. Hills have rounded tops, not like peak. Mountains have sharp edge top with top called peak, but hills are rounded top called. Okay, and this is the mountain pass and this is the hills. Here you can look at the Alps, Switzerland and rolling hills Napa wells in United America, these are not much than higher than, and they are rounded top, okay, and mountains are sharp tops with peaks. Mountains and hills play important role in our lives. Most river and streams flow from the mountains. In the mountain there are many glaciers are found, so the many rivers are originated from here, and they provide the water to the people of the land. Valleys. A valley is low land that lies between hills or mountains. Valley, what is valley? Valley is low land between two hills or mountain. Okay, here is two mountains. Okay, and this is called peak, and this is called valley. Okay, do you understand that? This is valley. River valley or V-shape have rich fertile soil. The earliest settlement in the world came up a river valley. First human settled up in valleys, and these are the fertile soil. This was because easy availability of water and fertile soil made farming in valley easy. Okay. Next, plateau. What is plateau? A plateau is flat top landform that rises sharply from surrounding land. What is plateau? Plateau is a highland with flat top, not a rounding. This is called plateau. Okay. Most plateaux have rich reserve of minerals. Deccan Plateau in southern India is the very old plateau. The Tibetan Plateau in Himalaya is the known roof of the world. World highest plateau in the world is called roof of the world. That is Tibetan Plateau. It is also called Pamir Plateau. Okay, it is the highest plateau in the world. Next is plain. A plain is a large area of flat land. A flat level land is called plain. For example, the flat and fertile Gangetic plain cover large part of northern India. It is easier built houses, roads, railways, grows crops and plains than mountain. Plain has a huge population because there are many activities are easy in this region, so many people settle here. Also often climate high up mountain can too cold or human lives. As a result, plains are most densely populated. Plains are often crossed by river or long stream of water that flow across land into ocean, sea, lakes or another river. What is river? River is a water body that flow from the mountain and flow into meet into the sea, that called river, and they provide the water from mountain, from glacier, and they provide water for irrigation to the people, so the people able to grow many different types of crops. When they pass through plains, they deposit silt on land. Silt is mixture fine sand. When river flow from the plain area, they deposit silt from carrying by the rivers from mountains, and these form the plains, and these silt are very fertile, so many crops are grown here. Deltas, all the solid material that river carry while flowing downstream known as sediments. When rivers flow from plains and when it meet into the sea, it has so many types of silts or sediments deposit here and divided into many parts like a triangle shape. When river flow in other water body like ocean, lake and other rivers, the sediments they carry deposit at mouth that form the delta. River deltas are usually triangular shape. The delta formed by Ganga and Brahmaputra river largest delta in the world. The world largest delta is Sundarban Delta, which is formed by the Ganga and Brahmaputra. Now next is desert. Deserts are larger area of extremely dry land, as desert receive almost no rainfall. Desert is a very extremely dry land where no rainfall receive at all. Very few plants grow here. If there is no rainfall, so a little vegetation found here like grass or trees. Most deserts are covered by sand, rock or gravel hills formed by the loose sand called sand dunes. Most of the desert are found sand, and these called the sand dunes. Desert can be hot or cold. The Sahara Desert in North Africa and biggest hot desert in the world. World largest desert is the Sahara Desert, which founded in Africa. Coast and peninsula. What is coast? The land by the side or ocean called coast. The place where sea and land meet is called coastline. The place of land meet by the sea in a sequence of very large distance called coastline. Coast can be sandy or rocky when a landmass surrounded by water on three sides called peninsula. When a place surrounded by water on three sides called peninsula. India is also, South India is also types of peninsula. The southern part of India is peninsula. The pointing tip of peninsula or point land that just into the sea is called cape. The last point of the peninsula is called the cape. For example, Kanyakumari is the tip of the Indian peninsula, used by called the Cameroon. It is also called Kanyakumari. Next is Iceland. What is Iceland? A piece of land surrounded by water on all sides called Iceland. And Isthmus. Isthmus is a narrow strip land that joins two large landmasses. It has water both sides. The Isthmus of Panama joins North and South America. Isthmus is a narrow part of the land that joins two larger landmass. Okay, and strait is called a narrow part of water body is called strait. Okay, Park Strait is the example of the strait. And next, exploring new word. In this section, the first word is silt. सबसे पहला word क्या है? Silt. Silt क्या होता है? A mixture of fine sand, clay, some other material that make the soil fertile. Silt में एक अच्छी क्वालिटी का सैंड और उसमें मिट्टियाँ तथा कुछ अदर मटेरियल होते हैं जिससे कि सॉइल जो होते हैं फर्टाइल होती है. फर्टाइल ऑफ अ क्वालिटी सॉइल दैट गुड फॉर ग्रोइंग क्रॉप्स, यानी जिसकी मदद से सॉइल जो है अच्छी फसल पैदा करते हैं, उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? फर्टाइल. सेडिमेंट, द सॉलिड मटेरियल दैट रिवर्स कैरी वाइल फ्लोइंग डाउन स्ट्रीम. सेडिमेंट मीन्स जो रिवर के द्वारा मटेरियल्स ले आया जाता है और वहाँ पर जमा कर दिया जाता है, इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? सेडिमेंट्स. माउथ ऑफ रिवर, यानी रिवर के माउथ को क्या कहते हैं? द पार्ट ऑफ रिवर वेयर फ्लो इनटू द ओशन, सी, लेक और अनदर रिवर, यानी जहाँ पर रिवर दूसरे वाटर बॉडीज मिलती है जैसे कि ओशन, सी या लेक या और दूसरे रिवर में. ओके, तो ये था आपका एक्सप्लोरिंग न्यू वर्ड. अब आते हैं वर्कआउट फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स. इसमें आपको सही वर्ड्स चूज करके फिल करना है. अ चेन ऑफ इंटरकनेक्टेड माउंटेन इज कॉल्ड. चेन, चेन मीन्स कि जो माउंटेन का एक लगातार चेन ऐसे बना रहता है, उसको, उस चेन को हम क्या कहते हैं? तो यहाँ पर लिखेंगे माउंटेन रेंज. ओके, सॉरी, फिर से लिखते हैं माउंटेन रेंज. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. इज द हाईएस्ट प्लेट्यू इन द वर्ल्ड। कौन सा प्लेट्यू सबसे हाईएस्ट है? तो यहाँ पर लिखेंगे तिब्बतियन प्लेट्यू। ओके, तिब्बतियन प्लेट्यू जो है वर्ल्ड का हाईएस्ट प्लेट्यू है। ए पीस ऑफ लैंड सराउंडेड बाय वाटर ऑन 3 साइड इज कॉल्ड। जो लैंड का 3 साइड पार्ट होता है, जिसके तरफ 3 ओर से वाटर ही वाटर होता है, यहाँ भी वाटर वाटर, इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? इसको पेनिनसुला। क्या बोलते हैं? पेनिनसुला। ओके, नेक्स्ट, a narrow strip of land that join 2 large land mass and that has water on both sides is called। यानी जो लैंड का एक पतला छोटा सा हिस्सा जो 2 लैंड मास से जुड़ा होता है, ओके, और यहाँ पर क्या होता है? वाटर बॉडीज होती है दोनों तरफ, चारों तरफ वाटर बॉडीज होती है। इस पतले से पार्ट को क्या कहते हैं? इस्थमस। क्या बोलते हैं? इस्थमस। ओके, पतले से लैंड बॉडी को क्या बोलते हैं? इस्थमस। अब आते हैं, इज ए नैरो स्ट्रिप ऑफ वाटर बिटवीन 2 लैंड मास। यानी 2 लैंड मास के बीच में जो वाटर बॉडीज होती है उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? तो इसका यानी जो अभी आपने पढ़ा इस्थमस का सेम अपोजिट होता है। जैसे यहाँ पर हमने बताया वाटर बॉडीज, तो इसमें क्या है? दोनों तरफ वाटर बॉडीज है, सॉरी दोनों तरफ लैंड है और बीच में ही ये वाटर बॉडीज पतला है, इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? स्ट्रेट। जैसे कि पाक स्ट्रेट, ओके, बेरिंग स्ट्रेट, ये सब क्या है? स्वेज कैनल, ये सब स्ट्रेट है। अब आते हैं मैच द फॉलोइंग। मैच द फॉलोइंग, आपको सही वर्ड्स से मैच करना है। तो इसमें देखते हैं डेक्कन। डेक्कन क्या है? प्लेट्यू रीजन है। ओके, डेक्कन क्या है? प्लेट्यू रीजन है। हिमालयाज, हिमालयाज क्या है? तो माउंटेन रेंज। ओके, हिमालयाज माउंटेन रेंज। पाक स्ट्रेट है। श्रीलंका, श्रीलंका एक आइलैंड कंट्री है। एंड नेक्स्ट सहारा डेजर्ट है। और डेक्कन प्लेट्यू अभी हमने बताया था, डेक्कन प्लेट्यू। ओके, तो ये आपका मैचिंग है। अब आते हैं, चूज द करेक्ट आंसर। द हिमालयाज लाइज इन। हिमालयाज कहाँ पर है? तो सही आंसर होगा एशिया। कहाँ पर होगा? एशिया। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हेन अ रिवर फ्लो इनटू अनदर बॉडी इट मे फॉर्म अ, इसका आंसर होगा डेल्टा। क्या होगा? डेल्टा। ओके, डेल्टा होगा। जैसे कि जब रिवर आती है तो यहाँ पर ट्रायंगल शेप में ऐसे बन जाती है, कई पार्ट में डिवाइड हो जाती है। इस ट्रायंगल शेप को हम क्या बोलते हैं? डेल्टा बोलते हैं। द लार्जेस्ट आइलैंड ऑफ द वर्ल्ड, सबसे वर्ल्ड का लार्जेस्ट आइलैंड कौन सा है? तो ग्रीनलैंड। ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द बिगेस्ट हॉट डेजर्ट इन द वर्ल्ड इज। सबसे वर्ल्ड का बिगेस्ट डेजर्ट कौन सा है? तो सहारा डेजर्ट। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, a narrow strip of water that separate India from Sri Lanka is called पाक स्ट्रेट। क्या होता है? पाक स्ट्रेट। ओके, द नेक्स्ट इज आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन इन 1 or 2 sentences। आपको आंसर बताना है। व्हाट आर लैंड फॉर्म्स? What are the 3 major landforms? तो इसका आंसर होगा द डिफरेंट नेचुरल फीचर्स फाउंड ऑन द सरफेस ऑफ द अर्थ आर कॉल्ड लैंडफॉर्म्स। माउंटेन, प्लेट्यू एंड प्लेन्स आर द मेजर लैंडफॉर्म्स ऑफ द अर्थ। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज पास? व्हाट इज पास? इसका आंसर होगा ए पास इज ए ब्रेक और गैप इन माउंटेन रेंज. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. व्हाट इज ए केप? गिव एन एग्जाम्पल. तो इसका आंसर होगा द पॉइंटेड टिप ऑफ पेनिनसुला और पॉइंट ऑफ लैंड दैट जस्ट इनटू द सी इज कॉल्ड केप. यानी जो पार्ट जस्ट सी के नज़दीक होता है और वो सबसे लास्ट पॉइंट होता है, इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? केप. एग्जाम्पल है कन्याकुमारी. ओके, नेक्स्ट. डिफरेंशिएट बिटवीन फॉलोइंग यंग एंड ओल्ड माउंटेन. यंग एंड ओल्ड माउंटेन में क्या डिफरेंसेस है? तो यंग माउंटेन देखते हैं. ए यंग फोल्ड माउंटेन रेंज इज जनरली बिटवीन 25 million years old, while an old mountain range can be 200 million years old. Fold mountain are usually lower elevated and can appear more likely rolling hills. Next question. Mountain and hills. A mountain is a high top above 200 meters high. Hills are top with below 200 meters. Okay, it has rounded points. Next question. Plateau and plains. A plateau is a flat topped landform that rises sharply from to surrounding land. And plain क्या होता है? A flat level land is called plain. Next question. Coast and coastline. The land by the sea, the land by the side of a sea or ocean is called coast, while coastline is the place where the sea and land meet is called coastline. Next question. Isthmus and strait. An isthmus is a narrow strip of land that joins two layers of land masses, and narrow strip of water between two layer landmass called strait. Next question. Peninsula and island. The landmass which covered with water on three sides called peninsula. A small piece of land covered with water on all sides called is an island. तो इस एक्सरसाइज में बस इतना ही. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज की चर्चा करेंगे. थैंक यू.